Hi, my name is Matthew Silverman, and today we're going to make honey roasted rack of lamb. This rack of lamb has a little bit of sweet and spice from the mustard, and it's a great dish. This recipe starts with a rack of lamb. This rack of lamb we trim to about a 1/4 inch fat on the outside. Leaving the fat's very important to make sure that it stays moist and tender inside. We then take a mixing bowl and mix together Dijon mustard, which is a 1/4 cup, honey, 1 tablespoon, salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chopped rosemary. This mixture is then spread over the rack of lamb. Then we take 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and coat the outside in the breadcrumbs. We place it on a roasting pan in the oven at 350 degrees, and we roast it for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked medium.